Hello friends. Now I will tell you what you should nightly feed your garlic for the last time in a season, in order to get a quick outflow of nutrition from the leaves to the garlic bulb. And thus it will reach its maximum varietal dimensions. I will also tell you why this top dressing should already be done right now, namely in mid-June. I'll probably start with this. This top dressing is being carried out now because, well, somewhere in the middle of July we will be harvesting garlic. And just a month before harvest, this top dressing is very important. In the morning I trimmed the seed arrow. I will post a video of how and why to do it tomorrow on my YouTube channel, be sure to watch it. For the whole day the wounds dried up and now it's time to feed. And I will feed the garlic with potassium sulfate, since it contains up to 50% potassium. Why does garlic need it now? It's simple. Potassium makes the outflow of nutrition from the leaves to the garlic bulb, and due to this, the garlic bulb increases in size. And for the preparation of a working cocktail, we need 3 gallons of water, and in it we need to dissolve 1 tablespoon without a slide of potassium sulfate. Then you should generously spill your bed with garlic with this cocktail. Just do not forget that before any top dressing you need to water the beds with plain water. Let it soak in and then feed. This is necessary so that the top dressing reaches the roots, because they are deep in the soil. If fed on dry land, garlic will not receive this nutrition. And the garlic bulbs will remain exactly in the size in which they are now in the garden. So don't miss this important moment. If you do everything right, namely, properly prepare the bed for feeding, feed and remove the seed arrow on the garlic in time, then until mid-July the garlic will grow a huge bulb of garlic. If you have any questions, then ask in the comments. If the information was useful to you, like it, and do not forget to share this video with your friends. And also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in new videos.